Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the pre-week analysis. This is your guy, Mr. Levels, aka Pills, aka Hop, aka It's Up There. You know, let's jump into this pre-week analysis, y'all. Before I jump into it, let me give a quick disclaimer. This is not financial advice. Anything that I share during this analysis is for educational purposes only. I repeat, this is in no way financial advice. Anything that I share during this analysis is for educational purposes only. Cool beans? Cool beans. Let's jump into it. So, just to let you know from the gate, um, my weekly bias for the dollar index this week is bearish. I would like to see the dollar index push lower. I'm targeting this area here, which is a daily fair value gap. Price has not been efficiently delivered to that area, right? We've seen price come down to the consequent encroachment of that fair value gap last week, but we did not deliver through that fair value gap, meaning that we did not see price deliver efficiently to that fair value gap. And that's where I am targeting this week. That's where I see price dropping to this week. Now, keep in mind that this is a very, 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 very high impacting news week. We have red folders every day this week. Very, very high impacting news week. So, there's going to be a lot of volatility in the markets this week, a lot of volatility. And if you're new to day trading, I suggest you only trade in your demo account, no live trading, right? You shouldn't be live trading anyway unless you've seen 6 months of consistency in the first place. Other than that, you should only be paper reading and demo trading, point blank, period. So, with that being said, I would like to see price drop from where it's currently at inside of the premium price for Thursday's price action, right? This is Thursday's candle, right? These levels that you see are the premium array levels of that price range from Thursday, right? So, being that we're inside those levels, I do not want to see price break and close above the 79% premium array, right? I would like to see us respect that level and continue lower. Now, if we do break above that level aggressively and close above that level, then I would expect us to run weekly buy side and daily buy side liquidity and potentially up into this daily fair value gap that we see shaded in pinkish red here, right? So that's pretty much it, ladies and gentlemen. I'm expecting a bearish week out of the dollar. I could very well be wrong, and this could very well be a bullish week. If that's the case, then I will adjust my bias and my analysis accordingly. Simple as that. Cool beans, cool beans. So let's look at currencies. Now, I didn't throw my levels on currencies. You can do that yourself. But you know that currencies are inversely correlated with the dollar. So if you're bullish dollar, you should be bearish currency. If you're bearish dollar, you should be bullish currency. So being that I'm bearish the dollar, I am bullish currencies this week, and I do expect us to pull back up, push back up into November the 30th price range, right? This daily candle that we see here, which is a Thursday before last, right? That price range is the price that I expected price to push up into last week, but instead we got these bearish candles to the downside last week, right? So I expect with the high impacting news that we have this week, I expect those to be the drivers to get price up into those premium price levels for this daily price range from November the 30th. Is that clear? Cool beans, cool beans. Same thing across the board with currencies. I want to see the pound reach up into December the 5th premium price range, right? December the 5th premium price range. That's what I'm expecting out of the pound. And NZD USD, same thing. I would like to see us push up into um, the premium level of Friday's price range, right? So I would like to see us push up into these levels here for NZD US. All right. Cool beans, cool beans. So I am expecting price to push up into Friday's premium price range for NZD USD, right? Now, we could see price come down between Asian markets tonight and going into London to run this weekly sell side liquidity here. Let me just change that. No, let me delete that altogether. How about that? All right, okay. So yeah, um, scratch that. That wasn't a weekly sell side liquidity. That was a weekly buy side liquidity from a previous week um ago, like a couple of weeks ago. So never mind that. So yeah, I want to see NZD USD push up into Friday's premium price. Then I would like to see us aggressively push up through those levels and continue higher, right? I ultimately want to see NZD USD get up into this imbalance that we see here in NZD USD and take out these um, fairly equal highs that we see here and get up into this SIBI, this daily SIBI that we see here. Sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency. It's coined by Michael Huddleston. So that's what I'm expecting to see out of currencies, ladies and gentlemen. Moving on to futures. Um, I'm bullish futures this week. Um, I will. I am anticipating price to pull back down into Friday's discount array levels. These levels here, right? That is the discount PD array levels for Friday's price range, right? I anticipate price to pull back down into those and continue higher, right? If price pull back through those and break aggressively below them and close below them, then I will anticipate price to run Friday's daily sell side liquidity and possibly come back down into the weekly discount PD array levels. But my bias is bullish for futures this week. I would like to see ES, E-mini, S&P 500 reach up into this daily volume imbalance that we see here and possibly even run this high from July the 27th of this year. Cool beans, cool beans. And last but not least, NQ, E-mini NASDAQ 100 futures. I am bullish as well. I would like to see us run this all-time high, right, from July the 19th of this year and continue higher to set a new all-time high for this week, right? And I think that the high impacting news drivers that we have coming out this week will be the catalyst to get us there. Now, I do anticipate price pulling back down to these weekly and daily PD array levels. As you can see, those levels are sitting right on top of one another and right beneath one another. And so I expect price to pull back down and give us an aggressive reaction to those discount PD array levels, right? So I would like to see NQ do something like this. Boom, out of there, right? Let me something like this. Just like that, ladies and gentlemen. Want to see us pull back down into those discount PD array levels from Friday's price range and take off to run weekly buy side liquidity, all time high level, and create a new high. So that will pretty much do it for the pre-week analysis, guys. I appreciate you guys tuning in tonight, as always. If you're getting any value from these reviews, these analysis that me and that um my chief fundamentalist and I does, then I would appreciate you guys giving us a like and a share on YouTube, and most of all, subscribe to the channel. It really helps out a lot. Um, and definitely share because sharing is caring. So, with that being said, if you would like to join my private Telegram group, visit precisionpipsllc.com and register for the silver package. It's $150 a month. The value that goes on in there is priceless. And so, yeah, we look forward to seeing you join the community. So, with that being said, I appreciate you guys coming out tonight, tuning in, getting this knowledge and empowering yourselves. Let your family and friends know you love them while they still here, please. And as always, peace and love, everybody. You know.